What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming to check out the channel. My name is Larissa and today we're going over Sheetali and Sheetkari pranayama. Both of these are thought to be the cooling breath. So these can be really great for cooling down the physical body, but also the mental and emotional body. So if you ever feel a little heated up here, this can be a great one to kind of cool yourself off and come down. It's also a great one if you are just one of those people that naturally overheats, or maybe you are into Ayurveda and you know you have a little pitta in your chart. This is a great one to kind of balance that out. We like to think of it as like the opposite of Kapalabhati. So Kapalabhati is the breath of fire and this is the cooling breath. One thing you do want to be aware of though before practicing this is make sure you're in a clean environment. So if you're somewhere dusty or moldy or smoggy, I would suggest holding off until you are in a cleaner area. The reason why is we bypass our natural air filters, our nostrils. So just being aware of that. Also, another thing you want to be aware of is some of us just physiologically are not capable of creating this taco shape with our tongue like this. And that is needed for the Sheetali practice. If you're not capable of doing that, then you can do Sheetkari, which is teeth closed. And then you just breathe in and out through the slots of your teeth. So how we do this is you either stick your tongue out or you close your teeth. You take an inhale through the tongue or the teeth, and then you close your mouth, and then you exhale back out through the nose and repeat. We're gonna do this for 5 rounds. So whenever you're ready, come to your comfortable seat. Make sure you're nice and situated so you got space in the belly. I always suggest to take the fabric down around below that belly crease, and that just creates a little bit more space and ease. Hands where you like, close the eyes, stick your tongue out or bring the teeth together, and then take an inhale. Close the mouth and exhale through the nose. 4 more of those. Last round. And then begin to just breathe naturally. Just tuning in, noticing any differences in the body, feel any cooler. And blink those eyes open. Thank you so much for joining me, and let me know how that felt. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in the next one.